And now I'm joined by Coach Mpangane, head coach of the under-15s Matafeni Hotspurs Development. Coach, ngiyakubingelela coach wami. Namhlanje kulo mqhudelwano weMbombela Development League mphathi. Niyaphuma nidaktoyiwina le league nema under-13s truth masotsha akho. Mphathi, ngithatha uhambe nami ungitshele le ndlela lebekade nisolonto imisele ngayo. Ungitshele nduna yami ukuthi bekade yini lo msebenzi yini le secret recipe lekuthi ifafa wayifaka lapha kulabafana ukuthi nikhona ukuphumelela le league le.
Thine njengoba sicale le league isaqala before isaqala into lengitshele bafana wami batshele ukuthi lesicompete ukuthi into lenye lesinasiyende lesicompete singemandla singumfutho singe-energy ngabafundisa ne-culture yebhola ukuthi sidlala i-two touch sibeka phansi ukuthi lo ngibatshele kona.
Mphathi wena ungcoach wabo bafana under 13 Matafeni Hotspurs utenda utive njani lokho ukuthi nikhonile namuhla ukuthi le message ebekathi ubatshela yona labafana lama principles of the games and also giving them the instructions they were able to grasp them and take them mphathi bakhona kwasebenzisa bachubekele bahambe boyewina ileague mphathi le yona le Mbombela Development League wena kukwenta utive ujabule nganani ukuthi bafana bakho bakhonile ukuyibamba lento lebekathi usolo bafundisa yona njengoba kungiyo into lemcoka kakhulu tuke development.
Jabule kakhulu shemphathi wami ngijabule kakhulu ngoba ngikhonile ukuthi bafana abancane bangilalele njengoba nami ngimncane ngisafunza lento mara nawo bakhonile ukuthi okay naye imncane nathi sibancane siyasitana sonke bangijabulisa abafana bami ukuthi into lenye futhi ngitshela yona ngithi ukuthi vele ukuthi ibona into abayendile hlala endzabeni hlala tuke culture yethu bahlale ukuthi badlalele ibhola ngibatshela yona simple two touch siphambili two touch siphambili.
Coach mase ngakubuda coach la ngwaphi ema difficulties enibukene nawo ukusonzela kule league lena mphathi yini nalokunye lokuhle mphathi libenzeni kaze nibukena nako knowing very well ukuthi okay usebenza ngalabancane bodwinki mphathi
difficulties ukuthi phatha umuntu omncane tshela umuntu omncane into edabuya samile umcalele phasi kahle umtshele ukuthi okay yenda lokhu nalokhu kahle uthethe isikhathi sakho ube patient nawe as we coach kwamele ube humble ngoba uyadlula umntana omncane lo.
Coach sithi halala coach iqhubekela phambili sinifisela lonke lokuhle nduna yami sibonge kakhulu kuba nawe sithi congratulations on the under 13 Mbombela Development Week winners coach.
Thank you Mtsana.